President Jagaban Bola Ahmed Tinubu say Naija don squander the wealth of future generations for like 50 years. Every president they always complain say the former regime they don't dabaru everything and them they repair everything. Waiting happened for the previous regime. When President Buhari entered for 2015, our foreign debt, external debt, na $10.3 billion. By 2023, that same foreign debt don't climb reach $42.9 billion. You say, Paddy? Yes. For those 8 years, we add about $32.6 billion to our foreign debt. Even the one we will borrow from inside Naija sef, e plenty die. For 2015, the total money we Naija borrow from within the country na around $63.5 billion. And by 2023, don't fly reach about $108.22 billion. If you wonder why all this borrowing stuff, them say now to build things like railway, airport, to supply power. But how many of those things you really see? We will not get oil money like that because of COVID, oil shock, OPEC wahala. So President Tinubu inherit this debt wahala. But even in own administration self add small because end of 2023 to the beginning of 2024, our total debt increased by like another 24.3 trillion naira. Now only borrow Nigeria dey borrow.